guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a little bit different than what I typically do. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I personally enjoy watching these type of videos. I know there's a lot of like hate involved, there's a lot of like negativity around these type of videos, but I personally just like to see what brands send big influencers, because you get to see what new stuff is coming out. There's a few that I feel like I trust when I watch their videos and reviews and stuff like that, but I also want to start off by saying I am not a big beauty influencer. I am not a big YouTuber, but I am very thankful and very grateful to these brands who have taken me into consideration to send me some of their products to test out. So I just want to share some of the things that I have received and kind of like a thank you, and also, you know, share the products, because brands do send products out to influencers to get exposure so that you can share them. Some of these products I have already tried. Some of these brands, well, one of these brands actually sends me PR regularly, and I am very grateful to them that they don't per se discriminate because of the size of your following. So I'm very grateful and thankful for that as well. So I'm kind of going to be opening my PR packages. Now, I am very grateful to these brands again, so thank you to all of them. These products were sent to me to try out, test out, and I'm very excited. One of them, actually, I kind of won like their PR contest they were having on Instagram, and I received their goodies, I think, on Saturday. Now I'm going to start off with Realher makeup, and this is a little box. I took everything out of the box just because it's much easier, and so everything won't be making noise. But they sent me their new Pro Blush Kit, which this is a little pamphlet, and their new lip glosses. I have tried out one of their lip glosses before in another package they sent me, and I really like the formula, so I'm so happy they came out with new colors. I am currently wearing one right now, and the color I'm wearing is I Am Bright, which this is what the product looks like, the lip gloss. I love that they have this like cutout of the brand's name, Realher, and you can see the lip gloss through it. And here's another one of my favorites, which is I Am Brave. I've been using this one a lot as well, and again, same packaging. And they have two other colors. They have, let me see, I Am Radiant, which is kind of like a nudie color, and I can't take it out. Yeah, it's like a nude color. You can see it right there. And then the last one is I Am Happy. And I really like their packaging, not just on these products, but their other products that I have. And I have mentioned them in a lot of my videos, and I use them regularly because I actually do enjoy their products. And that's a really pretty color. I like that their names are like big on the actual packaging. That's the name of the product, I Am Happy, and they are like positive, kind of like positive affirmations. So those are the lip glosses. Now the palette, the blush palette, looks like this, and again, the name is right across on here. It's You Are Brilliant, and it's a Pro Blush palette. Let me open it. The colors are very pretty. It has a huge mirror. Look at the colors. This one right here is one of my favorites that I've been using a lot, and this one down here as well. They're all gorgeous, but these have been my favorites, the ones I've been using non-stop. So that's from Realher, and of course I will be linking all the products down below and all of that, and the websites and stuff like that. Now, this is a brand of lashes, K Moni Lashes, and they sent me two of their lashes. I think I showed it to you guys in the last haul, but I want to show them to you guys again just because, you know, this is products they sent to me. And this is in the style D32, and look at the packaging. It's super cute. And I just dropped the little spoolie. It comes with like a gold and pink spoolie, but these are super long and kind of like whisked out. And then the other style is 001. And these are a little more natural, so those are the from K-Mani. Next, I have this palette from Shopalterego, and they have a palette that's inspired by the Sultry palette from Anastasia, and this is called Temptress. And let me show you guys the palette, which is really, really pretty. So it's the packaging the packaging on the box is the same thing on the actual palette, and look at the colors. They're super, super similar, very inspired by the Sultry palette, but it's really, really pretty. And they also sent me 2 brushes, which let me get them because I've actually been using them and I like them a lot. This one in specific, I've been using it to apply my highlighter, and it's like the best highlighter brush. And this one, I've been using it to blend. Clearly, you guys saw I did my blue makeup look and I used this brush. It's a really, really nice blending brush, especially for the crease, to really blow out those colors. And I just can't get enough of this one for the highlighter. Now, using my code Misela, you can save money if you want to shop this palette, and they are offering free shipping and those 2 brushes for free with your purchase, so you just have to use my code. I will not be making anything from that code. It's just 15% off for you guys, which I'm really happy they offered something for you guys. That is always very nice when they can offer a discount so that you guys can save money. Moving on to Cinema Secrets, they send me a few goodies to try out. So they send me their Ultra Lucent Setting Powder, which I'm very, very much excited to try. This setting powder, I don't know what I have with setting powders, but I love to try all kinds of setting powders. And then they send me the Ultimate Shadow 5-in-1 palette, and this is the Chroma collection. I was trying to read it. And here is what it looks like. Look at that middle shade. They're like super, super shimmery. Let me take the brush out so it won't fall. But look at how I need to swatch that color. Like, oh, I need to do it. Like, it matches my backdrop. Like, the color is going away from my backdrop because it's focusing on this color. It's like the same as my backdrop. That is so pretty. Like a cut crease, a smoky cut crease with this on the lid would look beautiful. And then they also sent me the Skin Essentials Travel Kit. This is a flight friendly kit, and it has Call Time, Break It Down Moisture Spray, and Super Sealer. So these 2 I think are setting sprays, and then these are to remove makeup, and one is to cleanse and hydrate. So I'm excited to try these. And this is the only thing that I've tried that they sent me, and this is their brush cleaner. I used this back in the day. I feel like you really forget how much you like something when you stop using it. But this is like the best thing to spot clean your brushes in between washes. I like to wash my brushes about every month, but I will spot clean them almost, you know, every week, because I do tend to use them a lot. And especially when you do makeup looks that are like super bright and your brushes get dirty, and then you go in and try to do a different look and your brush is dirty, like that's a big no-no. So this helps so much that you just spray your brush, or you spray a napkin, you what is it called? You wipe your brush back and forth, and it cleans it in literally a second. So I really, really like that, and I'm excited to try the other things. And now, last but not least, Trendbeauty is a brand that I told you guys that I kind of like won their contest. They were having to be added to their PR list. And they sent me a cute little note. It says, set the trend first. And the little note says, hi babe, we love how you set the trend, keeping things on your beauty radar first with these goodies. Enjoy, sis. And they have a code, TRENDME. When you buy 2 palettes, you get 1 free. So that's pretty cool. Now, here are the palettes. This is the first one. It's the Mosaic palette. I really, really like the packaging of these palettes. They're really, really pretty. This reminds me a lot of one of the Natasha Denona palettes, I think it was. And it's kind of like a dupe, I would say. Super, super pretty. Look at this shade right here, and this blue one. Like, That is gorgeous. They look super, super pretty. Actually, let's swatch some of these. Look at that. Let's swatch some of these shades. Oh, this is like a glit. Oh, that's pretty. Let me swatch Element over here. Okay, they're like super, super pigmented. I'm excited to try and use this palette. Like, I wish I had this palette last week when I did that blue makeup. But, I mean, I can always do another one. And the next one is Tempting. Which the packaging and like the print on this is just so, so pretty. Look at those colors. This is the one I'm using on my eyes today. But look at this palette. Like, I need to swatch some of these. Some of the ones I didn't use. That looks super similar to the other shade. Let me swatch Desire, because this one's like calling my name. That looks like a chunky glitter, but like super creamy and buttery. Oh, these colors are beautiful. Let me do this kind of like burgundy shade. Oh, look at that's pretty. Okay, so that's that one. Super pigmented. Clearly, you guys can see I am wearing the matte shades, and I did swatch the shimmery shades just because I was very intrigued. And then this one, which is soft nude, but look at the letters. They're super holographic. I feel like their packaging is super, super cute. This one also reminds me of a specific palette. I just can't remember the name of it. If you remember, leave it in the comments down below, but it's really, really pretty. This is like a perfect everyday palette. Super, super nice. Look at how those shimmery shades just like shift when you turn it. Super pretty. And then we have Naturally Nude, which these colors like, and they have two highlighters. This orange one right here, let me swatch it because, okay, that color is also super, super similar to my backdrop. I want to swatch this burgundy shade because that one is also calling my name. Oh, it's pretty. Now this one's calling my name. Like, literally, they're all calling my name. Oh, that one's, they're all pretty. Like, really, really pretty. Let me do a swatch right here. Oh, Nelly, look at those colors. Let me see. I'll swatch them up with this hand. Ooh, I didn't get this one. Okay, those are pretty too. So everything's pretty. But look at those highlighters. So this is Naturally Nude, and what I like about their palettes is that they're affordable. They're only $12.50, so that's a really, really good deal for the palettes and all the eyeshadows you get in the palettes. They seem very nice. As told you guys, I'm wearing this one today. They blended beautifully. The pigmentation is there. They do have a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing. Like, if that really bothers you, do your eyes first and then do your foundation. And that's that. And then they sent me this Unicorn Dust palette. And this is the highlighter palette, and it's really, really pretty. It's actually the highlighter I'm wearing today. And I mean, I feel like that tells you everything. Like, and I'm wearing the middle shade right here called Mystical, and it's really pretty. These shades are really pretty. I've wore them too, but I'm just super attracted to this color in the middle. It's like the perfect gold, like white gold, super, super bright, super glowy highlighter. And that's about it for the goodies that I was sent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more of these. As always, I am very appreciative to all these brands who, you know, took me into consideration to send me products, and you guys will definitely be seeing these products in tutorials. You guys have already been seeing the Realher lip glosses and the blush palette because I'm obsessed with those palettes. I will be having a dupe video for the Alter Ego palette, comparing it to the Anastasia Sultry palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!